Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering your SBI debit card and bank details before you activate. Keep the last 6 digits and the expiry date visible on the card. Use your phone or computer on a secure network. Avoid public Wi-Fi during the process. Make sure your registered mobile number is active and accessible for messages. Expect a 4-digit OTP to arrive by SMS during activation. Keep the OTP private and ready to enter when prompted. Do not share OTP with anyone under any circumstances. Open the YONO SBI app or log into SBI Net Banking to activate the card. Navigate to Card Services and select Debit Card Activation from the menu options. Enter the card last 6 digits and expiry date exactly as printed on the card. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on your registered mobile to confirm the request. Enter the OTP promptly and proceed to set your 4-digit ATM PIN if the system asks. Wait for a success message confirming the card activation completion. If you prefer, activate the card at an SBI ATM using the PIN generation or activation option. Insert the card and follow on-screen prompts to verify details and set your 4-digit ATM PIN. You may also call SBI Phone Banking for guided activation after identity verification on the registered mobile. Always confirm activation success via SMS or net banking notifications. Never disclose your 4-digit OTP or ATM PIN to anyone, including people claiming to be bank staff. Keep the card secure and report loss immediately if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.